Hey, welcome to Tutorial Lore. This video explains what the Neighborly app is and how it's positioned. Based on official App Store listings and the company's website, Neighborly is a home services app designed to help users find, book, and manage local professionals for home repairs, maintenance, and improvements. According to these sources, the app connects users with a network of locally owned service providers across categories like plumbing, electrical work, cleaning, landscaping, and more. This video is an informational overview based on publicly available descriptions. It does not guarantee app performance or user satisfaction, which can vary based on individual experience and updates. Official descriptions state that users can search for services, schedule appointments, and book professionals directly through the app without needing to compare multiple providers manually. The platform also includes real-time tracking features, allowing users to receive updates such as appointment confirmations, technician arrival alerts, and job completion notifications. According to the developer, the app offers access to a wide range of services through its network of branded providers, which may simplify the process of finding trusted professionals. There are also features like exclusive offers and discounts, along with educational content and tips to help users plan and manage home projects. The app is positioned as an all-in-one hub for home services, meaning users can manage multiple types of maintenance and improvement tasks from a single platform. Some features, such as job tracking or service availability, may vary depending on location and the specific provider involved, which is mentioned in official descriptions. This app may be useful for homeowners looking to streamline how they find and schedule home services. For users interested in managing repairs, maintenance, and home projects through a single mobile interface, this could be an option. However, service quality, pricing, and availability can vary depending on the provider and region. Whether this app is worth using depends on individual needs and preferences. If you found this video helpful, feel free to drop a like. And comment down below if you have any additional information on this app or notice anything missing or outdated.